Now this is interesting. That's a pretty good slab of rock. Let me see here how deep this would be. Feel like I hear somebody over there. It might be going around the trail. It's not too far from here around the Black Forest. Of course, these gullies carry sound quite a ways. Ooh, I splashed up on my leg. It's cold. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll stop here for a moment, get me another drink of water. Let me adjust my headband here. Don't want that thing to come undone and lose my camera. I hit the spot. It looks like this rock goes quite a ways down through here. Huh. A little trench right there. Yeah, a couple, see, was it a year and a half ago? When I did that 4 mile over here that I was talking about earlier. Down here where it crosses over into the Black Forest, what I call it, this leads into it. But anyway, I noticed it looked like it was definitely had some water running through it at one time. And from the looks of it, it probably ran a good, I don't know, 8-10 feet deep, not more. This has been pretty wide, but this is up on the bank here out of its natural run. But I'll have to kind of remember this there through here. And I can buddy Steve might want to meander around over here. Whoa. See where that puppy pulled up out of the ground at one time. Some kind of a sinkhole right there anyway. Now there is some sinkholes over here, especially up on that 4 mile trail that I was telling you about. Up there, it's pretty close, well I guess it is to right up at the top of it and off to one side. It's got a huge sinkhole. Now I would think right offhand is due to the underground mining that went on here years ago. Just like these sinkholes right here. Here's a big, was sunk in right there too. Mile wide, I don't know how far it is down in here. Just enjoying myself. It's I think it's about 3/4 of a mile from where I parked the vehicle down to where I started off got off the pavement and started down in here. And I don't know really how far I came because I've meandered around this rock bottom creek here. I'll say maybe I probably came maybe 3 miles maybe. Give or take an inch or two. Huckleberry stuck on the hair on my arm. Things hold on for dear life too. It's quiet over in here, that's for sure. Oop. I think I'm getting close to that big crossover down here. Starting to see the cedar and pine in there like that there. Kind of leads over to that 4-mile loop over there. Once you get across this place, but can you imagine the water running down through here? And you step out in and try to cross this dude, probably drown you. Yep, it would suck you under for sure. goodness. Let's see what I want to do here. Make sure it don't step in a hole. I think right here, yeah it is. This is the spot where I cross over and head back. Yep. Let me get up here. Whoops. Poke myself in the eyelid. Of course I got my glasses on. I learned from that one experience. For now anyway. Now see, this is pretty nice in here, really. There's folks that had their horses down in here. You can see the tracks right there, and their bikes. Yeah, this definitely goes over that 4 mile. It winds around through there, and it comes out, then it splits, and you can go up the hill to the 4 mile, go to the right, and it starts the red trail loop. Well, it starts a red trail, which is, time it gets over to the loop, you meander around through there, I don't know, a couple miles or so. Then it starts that red loop, which is 10 miles. And that's where I got my tick problem. Ended up in the ER.